Now, let's talk about the symbol keyword feature. This feature allows you to link the symbols received in your Telegram signals to the available symbols in your MT5 platform. Let me explain why this is important. Sometimes the way symbols are named on Telegram is slightly different from how they are named inside your MT5. For example, your Telegram channel might show a signal like Euro, while in your MT5, the same symbol might be listed slightly differently, maybe Euro USD or with a suffix like Euro USDM or Euro USDC. If you try to directly place trades without matching these correctly, it could cause errors or missed trade placements. To avoid this, we have provided a symbol keyword mapping option. Here's how it works. In the software, you will see a field where you can enter the exact symbol format as it appears in your Telegram channel. For example, if the signal comes in as EUUS in Telegram, you type EUUS in the Telegram symbol section. Then, in the MT5 symbol section, you select the corresponding available symbol, such as Euro USD, from the drop-down list. Once you add and save this mapping, the software automatically knows whenever it sees EUUS in a Telegram message, it should place the trade using EURUSD inside MT5. This way, even if the names are different, your trade placement will happen smoothly and without any errors. You can also search for symbols if you have many symbols listed. Simply start typing the name. The search bar will instantly filter the results, making it easy to find and select the correct MT5 symbol. If at any point you want to remove a mapping, simply click the Remove button next to that entry. If you want to clear all mappings, there is a Remove All button available as well. Now, here's something even more powerful. You are not limited to mapping Telegram symbols exactly as they are. If you want, you can redirect a signal to a different symbol. For example, if a signal for Euro USD comes in Telegram, but you want the trade to be placed on GBP USD instead, you can map Euro USD to GBP USD inside the software. This symbol keyword feature makes sure that your trade placement process remains error-free, flexible, and fully customizable, even if your Telegram signals and MT5 symbols do not exactly match in name. In short, you have full control over which Telegram signals get placed on which MT5 symbols. After you are done adding all your symbol mappings, simply click the OK button to save your changes.